Hi everyone! I wanted to give you an update on the TalisWOMEN series I'm working on. If you're new to this concept, think Talisman, but for women. It started out as bracelets and rings and evolved into necklaces, and now I'm on to TalisWOMEN pendants, i.e. some tassels. So I'm here to update you on that, but first I wanted to share with you some information about the necklaces I've been working on. I've been playing around with different bead sizes, and as you can see here, I'm wearing, this is actually a 5mm, and this is a 6mm. Sorry, excuse me, this is an 8mm. The material is banded Amazonite. I'm actually ordering some 4mm material for a client who's interested in turquoise. So we'll see how small we can go. What I've found so far is there's kind of a sweet spot when it comes to the size of the beads. This material, I don't know if you can see it here, this is 6mm, and of course there's so much beautiful material in all different colors and sizes, and we have two options for the clasps. We have a sterling silver option, which I'll show you in a second, but also a gold option. This is ombre arranged moonstone, and it has a clasp, I don't know if you can see it clearly, that is it's 18 karat gold. So you can get either gold or silver. Silver is of course far more affordable at the moment, but now to tassels. I wanted to share with you first, this really beautiful material is crystal quartz, and it will go with anything and everything. And this tassel, which you're now seeing, is Tourmaline. So it has a very dark ombre kind of pattern at the top, going to a little bit lighter at the bottom. And as you can see, this S clasp is silver. And what's really great about these S clasps are that you can just wear it with the S clasp in the back, like back here, or you could wear it on the side because it's just so pretty. And as I just demonstrated, you can also use the S clasp to add these wonderful pendants. I'm also working on some pearl pendants. I'll have an update on that shortly, but these tassels have, and again, this is work in progress, these tassels have this kind of a dome-like cup that they'll be sort of coming out of. And I'm also playing around with the length. So I'm gonna share with you some Sapphire Tassel I'm working on. This one is of course a blue sapphire, super sparkly. I think I'm gonna go with this length and make this guy shorter, and then add one more little tassel here. The other thought, I'm working on Geraldo with this. The other thought is maybe we make earrings. What do you think? Should we do earrings? Anyway, I'm also working with other material for these tassels. I have these really super darling, super sweet pearls here. I'm also getting in some green quartz. I have some reds. I also ordered some really beautiful multicolored sapphire materials, so I have another option besides this blue sapphire here. So more to come on that. And I just want to open it up to you and say, if you have a particular gemstone, or maybe there's a color that you would like to see, maybe you would like a TalisWOMEN necklace to start. The pricing for these start at $170. Of course, it depends on the material, and some material is more rare than others. So if you have any thoughts, or just have questions, or design ideas, please chime in. I would love to hear any kind of ideas you might have, and stay tuned, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye!